evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. BJP to form new government in Gujarat next week. BJP accuses NPP of misusing Focus scheme. TMC block level meeting held in Nongstoin. Several people joins the party. And quarter-final matches in FIFA World Cup to kick off today with Brazil taking on Croatia. And now for the news in detail. In Gujarat, the ruling BJP is set to form a new government on Monday. State BJP Chief C.R. Patel said that the Chief Minister of the state will take oath on the same day, while Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah are among a host of dignitaries who will attend the swearing-in ceremony. The party got 52.5% votes, more than 3% extra from last time, which resulted in its landslide victory. The urban districts Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Surat and Rajkot consolidated the victory of the BJP by giving 57 out of the 60 seats. BJP State President Ernest Maury today alleged the NPP-run state government of misusing the Focus scheme. Talking to reporters, Maury said that the NPP candidates in some constituencies like West Shillong are going to the public and are asking for bank accounts to transfer rupees 4,000 to 5,000 under the Focus scheme. He said that even though the scheme is meant for producer groups and farmers in the rural areas, the scheme is being misused by NPP for their party candidates in some urban constituencies. The party, which is upbeat about the Congress Gujarat polls victory, also said that the party did well even in Himachal Pradesh, though it could not get the majority. Meanwhile, even Cabinet Minister and BJP MLA Sanbor Shulai has accused NPP and other allies of fooling the public by hijacking BJP's central schemes for electoral gains.
So they have to prove, no? It's not easy, you just give the statement in the press, then you say that, then let them give the clarification that from where that money come. As far as the knowledge, we came to know that it is a loan they have taken from some foreign investment. Let them come clear with that.
All these activities fooling the people in a state during the election will have to go and enlighten the people that this is not their scheme. This is the scheme provided by the BJP government. That is also through the support of us.
A block-level meeting of Trinamool Congress was held on December 8th at the Sao Playground in Nongstoin, in which quite a number of people joined the party. The party also claimed that the people who joined the party have affirmed the growth of the part in this part of the state. TMC State President Charles Pingrope and Legislature Party Leader and Leader of Opposition Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Dr. Mukul Sangma inaugurated a party office in Nongstoin, which was followed by a successful block meeting. The party said around 5,000 were present during the meeting.
That's why we all decided collectively to join and march with this Trinamool Congress. Because with a sense of utmost commitment and responsibility, we want to fulfill our purpose and responsibility to protect the interests, larger interests of our people.
The Khasi Department of St. Edmund's College organized a program to celebrate 180 years of Khasi language as the language of writing. Speaking on the occasion, Principal of the college, Dr. Sylvanus Lamare, said that different authors like Jiban Roy Myrom, Rabon Singh Kharsuka and Radon Singh Beri Karwanlang initially started writing Khasi. College students and teachers were also present on the occasion.
The builders of modern India, William Gari. Ini bro. Ngakamel. Abang kacau. Jadi nak terang dalam kamar rumah komunisi. Paling sa pasal cuba di ke bagi orang kan. Kadang-kadang kalian tu kasih atau society kita buat konkret dari sendiri. Kawan belum lamanya baru pergi di badan kami apa orikasi juni. Kemudian kami orikasi juni. Kita su nasihat sekolah siang juga wah kelapir kecil, kelapir berkomperen.
The Lombaring Presbyterian Secondary School today observed its 100-year centenary celebration. On the occasion, several cultural programs were presented by the school students, while the souvenir of the school was also released on the occasion. The chief guest on the occasion also felicitated one of the teachers who has been serving the school since the last 29 years.
For the mix-up.
Those who have made it possible, it is a time to thank every person who kept the faith in Missions School.
In FIFA World Cup football, quarter-final matches will kick off today with Brazil taking on Croatia at the Education City Stadium in Qatar. The match will start at 8:30 p.m. Indian time. The five-time football world champions entered the quarterfinals, beating Republic of Korea 4-1. In the other quarterfinal matches, the action-packed last 8 stage will also see Argentina take on the Netherlands on 10th of December at Lusail Iconic Stadium, Qatar at 12:30 a.m. Indian time. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 21.1 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 9 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 63% and in the evening 81%. Forecast weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune into our daily bulletin. And now for the headlines once again. BJP to form new government in Gujarat next week. BJP accuses NPP of misusing Focus scheme. TMC block level meeting held in Northstone. Several people joins the party. And quarter-final matches in FIFA World Cup to kick off today with Brazil taking on Croatia. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.